afternoon, everyone. We warmly welcome our friends from SDO Paranaque. Let us give them a round of applause. Accompanying our newly installed Assistant Schools Division Superintendent, Dr. Violeta M. Gonzalez, Cecil States. I'd also like to request our AO5, Ma'am Noemi Valdez, to join our SDS and our...
Stephen, thank you so much for being here and for showing us your musical prowess. Thank you so much to the principal as well. Una anak, kumain ka ng pansit. Thank you also, of course, sa ating consi na nandito. Extend my gratitude, of course, to our dear